You can also make a call easily with your contacts from Microsoft Teams. So to do that, first of all, you need to go to chat, and then you need to go to a person that you want to make a call to. If you don't see the person over here on the left side, you can also go around over here and type in the name right here, just like this. So I'm just going to go around right here and type in, let's say, for example, TutorTube2 right here, because I want to call that person. And then there you go. So this is the person, as you can see. Let me just go around and press enter so that the chat for that person opens up. So once you go around over here you can see that you have an option to make a call. So you can go around and make an audio call right here, just like this. And over here you can see that the other person is being called out. And if they answer out the call, then the call will start. And if you want to go around and stop the call, then you can go around and then hang it out right here. And that's it. That's how you can make a call. And if you want to make a video call, then you can go around over here on the video call option right here. And then your webcam will be opened up right here, and you'll start seeing yourself as well. But over here, I don't have a webcam, so you're not seeing anything. So that is how you can make a video call, and you can have a conversation and then hang up when you're done. And that is how you can make a call by using Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.